terminal. So for that, open your Play Store and in the search box search for userland, right? And this first application you need to install, although link in the description below. After successful installation, click on open and it will open its user interface in our phone. So just wait for a few seconds and you can see there have lot of distributions here, but from here we will choose Ubuntu, right? So click on Ubuntu and click on OK, click on allow, and it will ask for username and password. So we set this user as root1 and password is root@123, and again we type the password, right? You can see what are the settings are here. Click on continue and click on SSH and click on continue, and it will load a dashboard for us. So just wait for a few seconds, right? In the notification panel you can see it just started download some files from its installations. So you need a good internet connection for that, and it will install near about 156 around files from this process, right? So we will pause the video until this download is fully complete. So as you can see, it just started download some files, and in the notification panel it also download Ubuntu root files, right? So wait for a few seconds. Now you can see after download some files is just set up all the files for it required directories and so on. So we will wait for a few seconds more. Okay, so after downloading and setting all the files, it required near about 15 minutes for me, right? Now you can see a screen is here into our front, and from here you need to type the password, and we just set it as root@123 in previous, and we hit enter. So as you can see, it just show the message that welcome to userland. Now from here you need to type the command which is sudo apt update and hit enter, and it will fetch all the repositories for us. Okay, now after the repository fetch, now type the command which is clear, and then you can type sudo apt install and then default-jdk and hit enter, and it will install the JDK package, I mean the Java package which is required for its installation, right? So you can see that it says that near about 231 MB archive will be download. So we just click on Y and hit enter from our phone keyboard, and it will download all the required files for us, right? So wait for a few seconds. Now after the download it will install some files, so wait for a few seconds. Now you can see that it just almost finished its all the installation. Now click on clear after the installation of Java, and you can type here java hyphen hyphen version, and as you can see it just install openjdk 11 for us. Now if we type pwd, so we are under the root1 directory, and we create a folder which name as test, right? And we hit ls, so you can see test directory is here. So we go to test, and there have no files. So for that we need to create a file which is, let's say, sample.java, hit enter, and as you can see sample.java file has been created in the test1 directory. If we type pwd, so you can see we are under the test directory, right? Now for editing the Java file we need to install nano editor, so you need to type the command which is sudo apt install nano, hit enter, and as you can see it just fetch the repository from its, and it will find the nano editor for us, and within couple of seconds it will install nano editor for us, right? So as you can see nano is here. So if we type ls, you can see sample.java. Now type on clear and we will open sample.java from nano. So for that, just type nano and then sample.java. So as you can see, nano editor has opened in our phone, and we need to type a simple java program. So as you can see, we just type a sample java program here, and for saving we need to type from the here, which is control and then upper key and then X from keyboard, and click on Y and hit enter. So as you can see, our file has closed with saving our all the details. Now for compiling, you need to type java and then the file name, which is sample.java. Hit enter. So as you can see, our output got displayed, which is 30 by our program, right? We can also copy another program. So for that, minimize this program and you can open Chrome, and from the Chrome you can search for our website, which is microcodes.in, and from here you can go to our Java section, and you can, let's say, go to our if else section. So you can see there have a program little bit below, right? So we will just create this program in our system. So for that, you need to just create this class file only. So we just copy the name, and from here you need to type touch and then the file name, right, and .java. So as you can see, we have a file called example2.java, and from the nano editor we will open example2.java. Now from the Chrome you just copy the code and go back to nano editor, and you can paste the code, and for saving the file you need to type control upper key X and hit Y and hit enter. So as you can see, our example2.java file closed with our all save. Now compile this program, you need to type java and then example2.java. Hit enter. So as you can see, the output is A is 10, and we check, yeah, it shows the right output, which is A is 10. So in this way you can create the Java program, right? Now for exit this program, exit this whole system, you need to type exit, and from the upper section click on stop sessions. I think this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends, because we love Linux. Thank you.